Aloha and welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. My name is Charles and I'm the program leader here at Washington All-Stars. Today you will be using beads or buttons and a hot glue gun to create an art piece over a piece of wood. Find an easy image you want to create. Today I'll be making a peacock using dark and light colored beads. Fun fact! The history of bead art started in Europe in the 14th century using colored seeds. They first started using colored glass beads in the 16th century. Today we'll be using wooden beads, acrylic beads, or buttons. For today's activity, you will need buttons or beads. You will need a hot glue gun. And you will also need a small piece of wood. Today, I will be making a peacock. You can either follow along or create an image of your own. Let's begin. I'm going to start by placing the beads along the outline of the animal or shape that I'm going to draw. And I'm going to use the hot glue gun to glue them down. Be careful when using the hot glue gun. Just like that. For this outline, I'll be using blue beads. If you're unsure of where you want to put the beads, you can just do a small outline first. And there you have it, a peacock or a chicken. Students can reflect the art that they've made today and what other types of art they can make using these same tools. Thank you for watching and being a part of our After School All-Stars Hawaii Ohana. If you're joining us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of our new videos. Please also follow us on All Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to connect with us. We hope you share this video or leave us a comment about what you liked and what you want to see next.